Good morning, welcome to Johnson's Garden Time. Jeremy, as we get to summer, there's some things we need to do in the lawn that changes from early, maybe moving from cool season lawns, fescue, bluegrass, ryegrass, to summer lawn care, and we're going to focus today on warm season turf.
Yeah, talking about warm season turf, this is going to be our mostly buffalo and Bermuda grass lawns. And so, fescue lawn owners hate the word Bermuda grass, but a lot of us do have warm season turf that we're trying to cultivate in our lawns. Bermuda and buffalo are two very good low water use turfs that we can enjoy as homeowners in Kansas.
Let's talk first maybe about if you're going to plant it, maybe selecting the varieties, things to watch out for, hardiness, and then we'll talk about care of those turf species as going forward.
Of course, Bermuda I think gets a bad name because there is a native species that can be not a great turf quality. That we've got a lot of breeding that's been done for improved turf type varieties, and it really can make a very nice turf. Buffalograss is another native grass that is one of the most durable grasses out there. Going to need to mow it a couple times a season is also, so really can be some great benefits to that, and going to be low water use after it's established.
Okay, as it warms up now is going to be a perfect time for establishing those, and we've got a buffalo grass here that's a turf grass type, not the wild native type.
Going to be a great thick quality turf. Going to be low mow and low water use as we get as it establishes.
So as far as fertilization and care of warm season lawns, there's really, it's maybe not too different than our spring cool season lawns, but shifted to the summer.
Yeah, so we've got a couple different fertilizer options. The Green Maker from ferti-lome is a good slow release nitrogen plant food. It has sulfur and it has iron in it that's really going to help to green up those lawns without too much nitrogen. I like to use just the plain ferti-lome Winterizer. It's a high nitrogen plant food. Plant's going to take that up and use it during the summer months. That's when we want to kind of step on the gas with these warm season turfs.
Okay, of course we've got the Humic, which is a soil builder, which will help any type of lawn. Some specific weed killers for summer weeds.
If you're noticing crabgrass in the turf, we've got the Weed Out Plus Crabgrass Preventer. If you've got the watergrass or nutgrass coming up, the Weed Out with nutgrass control is going to be a good option.
Okay, we've got everything you need for your turf for this summer, whether it's cool season or warm season, so come see it at our stores. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.